Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raquel. If you're not subscribed, please, if you like a video like that, I'm pretty sure you're gonna like a lot of my videos, so subscribe down below. And today, like you saw in the title, I'm so excited. I can tell you guys how excited I am. Let me show you the box. Guys, this is a big box. Really big. So, I'm so excited. So, let's do the unboxing. Let's cut it and I can tell you a little bit more. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me. And I post over there on my stories, and a few people guessed right, so I'm definitely so excited for this. It's not a wish list item because it's not a wish list item, but I definitely thought about this when I did the video for the collection. And I'm gonna link over here if you like to see the beautiful collection. And here, yes, it's a Louis Vuitton. Oh my god, really protected. That was really nice. Any guesses? You might can guess some with this card. I wish they give me a bag. They did not give me no bag, so that's the downside shopping on the phone or online. Don't give you a bag that's a little bit of excitement, partly because the bags for this collection is really nice. Like y'all know from the side, it's a bag, and I did not thought I was gonna find this one. It's taking me a while. Definitely a while, and it was sold out. And I was like, I just needed this bag. And I like checking on the website every day, calling. And I have a new technique to find items. Let me know down below if y'all like to see it, because it's really nice. Or I can do it on Instagram. Please follow me and let me know over there. And it definitely works, believe me. That's how I found this one. So I present to you guys my new lovely beauty Speedy 25 on the I even get out. It's Speedy 25 on the Game On collection. This beauty. Oh my gosh. This stuff inside. It comes like beauty like that. The nice part. This part over here is wonderful. This pocket over here is really nice. And I do not want 25. That's why I really want this one. And of course, I miss on the collection of the multicolor collection. So this is kind of remind you a little bit, and it's really nice. I like to gamble. I like cards. I like play dice and stuff like that. So yeah. And so this was really me. I like play cards. Me and my family, we always play cards and stuff like that. So I say I really need this bag. This strap over here. I will try answer some more shots over here. We put a lot of double wraps inside. I'm definitely gonna keep it because I want to give it a shape until I get it all organized for it. It just got here today, and it's a beautiful suede inside. I don't know if y'all can see, it's all black. have a pocket, and definitely like nobody touch or nothing like that, because the strap is still here, so it's definitely brand new. Black strap over here, the code and everything if y'all like to see. Yeah. Over here, oh, nice. The I believe it's the keys and the lock. Yep. So definitely like new. So nice to see. Be the first one to touch basically everything. The keys over here. And oh my god, that's nice. Look at the lock. Shiny, brand new. So happy to be able to get this beauty, guys. Y'all don't know how happy I am. And I'm gonna give more in-depth review, but for today that's it. My new beauty. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and I'm gonna add a video over here if you like to see my other videos. Everything linked down below too, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye.